G'day viewers, well I'm at the end of our junk pile today and I thought, well, this is a very old pump. These are two pistons, it's a reciprocating pump. I think they're your valve adjustments and all that. But yeah, I was just sitting there being used as a weight for our implements for ground ploughing and that. Instead of really rusting them away, I want to try and, yeah, just autopsy it and see how the hell the damn thing works and clean that tag up and see what kind of pump it is. It's only going to sit here and rust away at the meantime. So yeah, I've already when I was little just been figuring into this sort of shit. I've already taken one of these off on the other side, which is half out and it's all rusted on there, so I have to get that all fixed. But yeah, this is usually full of oil, being the crankcase. I think it's driven here from the back of the tractor on the power takeoff side. It's driven through there, the pistons reciprocate and push sort of water through here. This is like a pressure regulator. And this big tank's just I think it's a sand filter. So yeah, this spring's like a pressure regulator. That must be some sort of inlet or something like that. Yeah, some sort of regulator or something. But yeah, it's going to be very hard to pull this thing apart though, because it's just rusted together. I'll try and get that tag off, see if I can clean up a bit, see what brand it is and get the date off it and all that. So yeah, I'll come back with a screwdriver set and we'll check that tag out first. But those bolts look like they're pretty damn well on there. Okay viewers, well I got this little tag off it. It is a Rosebery Fig 450 pump. Serial number 1352, so it's 1952 I think is when it was made. Manufactured by Westinghouse, Rosebery, Proprietary Limited. Used Shell X100 motor oil 50. But there you go. If it hadn't been so destructive when I was little, I wouldn't have this wouldn't have been in the condition that it's in. But yeah, you don't know when you're little till it's too late. So yeah, it's a pretty nice old pump. Rosebery Westinghouse. Didn't say where, I'd say it'd been made in Melbourne or something. But yeah, serial number, I think it's a 12, yeah, 121252 is a serial number, so that could be a date code. But it's a Rosebery, so it's a vintage item. But the pump itself, bloody heavy, it's like 350 kilo dead weight, so I can't get the forklift out. We've got the crop topping machine on there, so I can't do it now. But yeah, it'll be fun to pull this, strip this thing down and see what's inside, providing it don't damage it too much, because that's going to take a lot of work to get it going again. But yeah, okay viewers, after straining my hand badly, very sore fingers now, but yeah, holding this thing and scrubbing it with some Metal Magic cream cleanser and a Jex steel wool pad, I got this thing looking a lot better. It's a Rosebery Figure 450 pump, number 1252, manufactured by Westinghouse, Rosebery, Proprietary Limited. Used Shell LX100 motor oil 50. That's the specs. So yeah, it might be worthwhile having a look at this pump. Viewers, well I got this little clamp off, which was actually a valve assembly. It has a big ass ball bearing in here. Got a bit of corrosion on it too, pitting on it. Yeah, it's very old. There's another one in there, so this is actually a valve unit. There's a tool I've got in the shed that locks into those and takes those little things out, so yeah. Very vintage. And these must be a different type of valve unit. These are like balls, pistons, these push in. It's a good thing they're not too rusted out. So under these little things here will push out. These must be outlet valves or something, these must be the inlets because they push in. So yeah, pretty interesting how this thing works. Got the two crankcase bolts off, but this thing is bloody heavy, so yeah, put this back on so I'm not losing any parts and we'll wait for the rain to clear or we'll come back. Okay viewers, well, that's enough for today, so just cover this thing up. It's all been soaked with a bit of CRC. Try and get all the bolts loose and cover it up from the rain somehow. So yeah, that's all for now, so thanks for watching.